Hey guys, I thought I was live the whole damn time, and I wasn't. So, my bad. My bad. Good morning, guys. Um, Couple of trades that I'm watching. I actually have one that just went off, which is DocuSign. So, we're gonna jump in DocuSign.
Calls.
Wait for the first 5 minutes to end right here.
Ooh, it's a spread.
What's the spread on DocuSign?
162. Okay, what's the next?
Go up.
What, to 91?
Yeah, that's a better spread.
Okay.
I don't like that spread, you know.
Neither do I. I don't know why.
DocuSign have a horrible spread right now, guys. Horrible, horrible spread. Uh, I had Google as well. Oh man, Google already gapped up. Yeah, Google gapped up. So Google gapped up. So that's kind of out. I'm just going through my charts, guys. One of my
Tell me when you're ready.
let me see.
I'm just looking one up here.
Yeah, see how the spreads DocuSign, my alert went out for DocuSign, but the spreads on DocuSign, guys, is horrible. You have like a 50 cent spread on DocuSign, which just one move against you could completely kill you or kill your contract, right? So you just want to pay attention to those. So right now, I just looked at the spread for DocuSign. I don't like the spread. I don't like the I don't like it on unless what you could do is you could go for you could put in for the ask, but look at the bid. Put in for the bid, but if you look at the bid is 42, the ask is $1. That's no. No.
I could try to wait and see.
No, it's okay. All right, so we're gonna wait right here. Um, Let the market do what it do in the first thing in the morning. Be patient. All right, we're jumping in Apple calls. Apple just broke, so let me see Apple right now. Yeah, Apple just broke, so we're gonna jump in Apple calls. This is exactly what I was looking for on Apple. It's going up to test that dollar move from the break of the high to VWAP is a dollar move, which is a good move. I wasn't paying attention to Apple as much, but went down, bounced off the 50, which is a good sign right there. I'm in Apple calls right now.
Okay.
So, okay. For those of you who want to know what contracts I got the 125 calls. Man, I just saw Apple. Was it Apple? Yeah. I'm like, yo, I know I saw it on the 200. So if you're just joining in, I'm in the Apple 225 calls. Let me see.
three.
Huh? Is it so I'm looking at it from a daily standpoint. Came up here, bounced off the 50,
Mm.
and then broke the high, right? So I'm looking at least a VWAP right here. VWAP is going to be 220.50. And then if you look at the 15 minute, we could go all the way up to this blue line, which is 225.75, 73.
Mm.
My strike end date is for this week. So 225 for this week. Mm-mm-mm. Okay. That's good. On the 30, 1 hour. Here we go. Nice push. Here we go. Up.
Not 100% to the 10 yet.
So we're pushing up. Contracts are up 10%, over 10%. If you jump in, you should be over 10%. Now remember, this is the one thing right here that we might hit. This VWAP line right here, we might hit that and reject. On the 15-minute candle, on the 15-minute, if we break through right here, we could come all the way up, which we're breaking out right now, right? So again, you should be up minimum 10%. We're up right now 20% on our contracts. Up 20% on the contracts. Here we go. Nice push. Make sure you put a trail and stop if anything. If you don't want to you don't want your thing to go red. Right here, we're hitting this VWAP line. Okay. So this is what I'm talking about. We can reject right here. So that's why I put a trail and stop. Because you can reject right here, come back down. Okay. So right now we're looking strong as far as a 15-minute. The next 15-minute, we're going to pull back. We might pull back right here because it's the last 2 minutes of this candle hitting on VWAP for the day. We might pull back down, new 15-minute candle come in. Once the new 15-minute candle come in and break this 15, we could move up more. But right now, as far as the first 15-minute, that's it. If you traded right there, you would have made profit for the first 15-minute and you're done, right? We could see what happens the next 15 minutes. Look at that. See that rejection just happened? Just like I said, the last 2 minutes of the candle, we can see that pullback. Here's that heavy pullback right here, right? Exactly what I said. So now what you have to do is you have to wait and see what this candle is going to do, the next 15-minute candle. Now, the next 15-minute candle will be considered a breakout. Okay. So, what you want to do is you want to mark these two spots. So, in a sense, you mark here, right? So, red for green for calls, and you could put right here, And you change that color, red for puts. Okay. So what you're gonna do is if it breaks here, then we could see that rejection and come all the way down. If it breaks here, then we could continue to the upside to 225, which is the next sell zone. There you go, Sherry. Up 25%. There we go. I was looking at something, me and I was discussing something with someone. And if the simple thing as compounding interest over time or just your trades over time, if you have an account, we was talking about small accounts, but if you have an account that say for instance $1,000, right? And that $1,000 you do 10% a day within the month, you'll double your account, right? So now, right now, we have the new 15-minute candle. We're looking at this 15-minute candle and we're gonna wait. Okay. Number two is right now we have I need to make this video. I haven't I've been so busy, but right now we have what is called an outside bar or a number three, right? It's the outside bar which it engulfs the previous candle. So what we're looking for right now is if it breaks here, we're gonna have a strong movement to the upside. If it breaks the outside bar, we're going to have a strong movement to the upside. And then the next resistance area is going to be up at 225, basically 226 area. If you have an inside bar where this comes, but it doesn't break and it creates an inside bar, which is a one, an inside bar is if it doesn't break the high or the low, it will be considered an inside bar. So at that point, what you're looking for is you're looking for the third candle to come in. And if it breaks the high, then we know we're going to have a strong move to the upside, but your target is going to be here. Okay. If it breaks to the downside, then we could drop the first target is going to be the bottom of this candle. And then we could see a drop down even more. There you go, Sherry. Had 5 contracts, sold 3, still holding 2. There you go. Good job. Now, what time is it? Oh,
9:47. Don't forget today is
9:47.
a short day.
Yeah, today is a short day, guys. But hey, we already. So let me see if this. I can't do my different scenes, yo.
I don't know
Can I?
why.
Can I click that off?
Yeah, you can click that off.
Oh, that pops up. See,
Yeah.
that was hiding.
I
That was hiding.
don't know why. Huh. You might have. Oh, there's your side view.
Okay. So there's a side view. That's my beautiful wife right there, guys. So the videos are gonna get better as they go. We're just messing around right now, try to figure stuff out. But the
This camera.
the reason why I do this is because I love doing this, right? But also I love when people make money. Um, I'm a real estate investor as well, so those are my two passion: real estate and trading. So yeah, but right now it's doing exactly what I expected it to do right now. Right now we're just playing around, but remember, oh, thank
Thank
you.
you.
But remember, again, on the daytime frame, the time frame right here,
We went and touched.
the trade, to me, the trade is like it hit the target. Because remember, from right here to right here, it hit the target. But again, we can see that move up. The good thing is we're staying above VWAP. So right here is VWAP. Okay, my next alert just went off, which is BA. Let's see BA.
Oh,
All right, so BA just went off.
wait.
That's nice. It's reject right here. All right. Um, could look at BA. Let's see where BA is. I fall to the downside below VWAP. Let me split my screen, guys. Let me split my screen so I still can have Apple on my screen. Oh, I just moved. Oh, undo, undo. Right here. Why it says that?
I don't know. I have to look into it. I'm not sure.
Ah, man. All right, so let me put Apple back up on the screen for you right here. So Apple's still looking good. Apple is above VWAP, so Apple's still looking good. For BA is bouncing right here. BA has a thing, but I like BA to the downside. So I'm gonna look at BA. What's the contracts look like? The
Let me get 177.50 put.
177.50 put. Yeah, that's a good one.
You want it?
Yeah, I'm going in a 177.50 put on BA. Now, if you're new to trading, okay, don't do multiple trades. If you can't monitor multiple trades, I don't recommend doing multiple trades. So say for instance, if somebody came in and they missed the Apple that I put called out earlier, then at that point you could jump into BA. But what I don't want is if you're in Apple calls, right? Which is fine right now. But if you're in Apple calls, then you don't want to jump into both because some people they can't monitor too much trades. Now, I'm going to tell you the reason why I took BA puts right here. BA is a 2-2 reversal to the downside, and we have what's called a shooting star, right? So a shooting star is when you have green, 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 and then you have this candle right here. So because of that, this broke. So I'm looking to at least come back down to the gap fill because it gapped up. So I'm looking at gap fill right at 178 is the first target, 178. And then down here, because this had some support level right here and resistance level right here. So 173 would be the next target. But again, um, go in when you have your profit and you're comfortable with your profit, then you take profit. Okay. You could come down, but with contracts deteriorate, lose value over time. So you want to make sure you're watching those as well. Be it popping back up. Now, I will say this. If the next 15-minute candle comes in for Apple, if we don't break here, we're going to have a 3-1. If the next candle comes in and it breaks this low, you want to get out the trade. But right now, we're seeing a big push on Apple. So we might see the break on Apple right here. I'm like, what? I gotta put my phone on do not disturb.
Yes. supposed to be a nice day today.
Yeah.
These people got sweaters on. I need to go change into something
They
warmer.
have sweaters on?
Yes.
I mean, it might be a little bit chilly right now, but
I need to go change.
it might be a little bit chilly right now. And that.
Mm-hmm.
See on a lower time frame. Apple is looking good.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like B, but it's right under VWAP. Oh, yeah. Yeah, right here. Reject. Come back up. Reject. Fall. Oh,
Oh, man.
yeah. I'm loving how BA looks. Might have a pop up to right here. Pop up, reject. Or I could just reject, come back down.
Apple looks good. Just got to get over the green.
Yep.
Just got to get over that.
So here's the push on Apple.
You
Apple
still have yours, Sherry?
Here we go with a push on Apple. We want to see the break of here, right?
Remember, this is the last 3 minutes in the 15 also.
Right. So this is the last 3 minutes of the 15-minute candle. So we could see that pullback and they wait for the banks to come in. Now, if it doesn't break, which it's about to break. So if we break right here, we're going to push. If we break right here, there we go. We're going to push. Here we go. There we go.
It, Sherry. That's all you.
There we go. So now you have to watch here because it's still holding this right here. So this next 15 minutes is going to be very important. We could still stuck between right here.
Don't let a green trade turn red. That's it.
Yep. We could still bounce between right here. This is showing by breaking this candle is showing strength to the upside, but if you're still in the trade and you're holding it for continuation, your stop loss should be right under here. If it breaks this 15-minute, now breaking this 15-minute candle, your trade might go red, but this is where my stop loss would be at that point, right here. Right under this previous 15. But right now we don't have no sell pressure or anything. The only thing is right here, right at VWAP, sitting right there at VWAP, and it's respecting VWAP right now. A break above that, Apple gonna push.
Sherry, how did you find the channel? I always forgot to ask. How did you find the channel? Or how did you hear about George? Where are we at? 55 seconds before banks come in.
Right here.
Inner feed. Oh, sub.
All right, so we're respecting the line right here. So just be right here. We're just gonna wait. This is not gonna. I don't believe it's gonna push past here right now. If
Let's
it
see.
push, it's gonna be a big push, and then a pop going up.
17 seconds.
Here we go. They might do a push right here, and then a continuation on it. If not, this 15 minute, the next 15 minute, we want to see a pullback, a little bit of pullback, and then a continuation up. There we go. So a little pullback, if anything, and then a pop up, or this could continue to push. See that? A big pop right there. A pop. I was looking for live trades and learn. There you go. Well, I hope you're learning on this channel at the same time. Um, and you're making money at the same time.
Yeah, she already sold and she had two left. Remember, I told y'all trailing stop.
Need this to come down. Respecting view up on a 15 minute. See, this is what you want to see.
Mm-hmm.
Conforms on all time frames. Right there. Did this have the wick on it?
I was just looking for that. I don't think I see a wick.
Yeah, there's a wick.
You see something?
Yeah, there's a wick right there.
Oh, I see it. Yeah. Oh, your eyes is better than mine.
I hate candles, so that's one of my pet peeves too. I don't think I can do a trail stop on Robinhood.
Oh yeah, it's Robin Hood.
Yeah,
Okay.
Robinhood, you can't do a trail stop on Robinhood. I'm gonna have to leave here in a few minutes. I have to take my wife to the doctor. So make sure you monitor your trade. The Apple is looking good. So Apple is looking good. Let me see on the lower time frame for Apple.
No problem. I'm going to get out. Need some work. All right. Take your profits. I can't even put no music on today.
No, you didn't.
Tomorrow.
We're gonna have to do something about that. Gonna have to start setting up some certain things before we go live. This is if this is not done,
We
then
need our music. We need a vibe. 2 minutes before we have to get ready to go.
Oh.
All right, y'all. Today was the trade. You made some money. And so we have to head to the doctor's
Yeah,
office.
my wife is nudging me, so we have to head to the office, to the doctor office right now.
But we just wanted to come on and still
But
trade.
at the end of the day, we made money today. I'm still in BA trade again. Right here is looking good. We're rejecting right here. We reject off of here, and like I said on the day, we have a shooting star setup, right? So we have the shooting star right here. It reject off the 50 coming
The
down.
2-2 reversal.
2-2 reversal, it broke. So we're looking for take profit, the first take profit. Now with strat, your take profit should be down here at the bottom of the other candle. But what happened is there's a gap right here. So because it gapped up, we're looking for a close of the gap right here. All right. So with that said, guys, um, like I said, I'm still in the trade. I'm gonna monitor the trade while I'm out. But in any case scenario, y'all made money today. So have a blessed day. Apple is pushing up. Like I said, Apple pushing up. Target on Apple is gonna be right up here at 26, 226 on Apple.
Let's say 225 at a psych first.
Yeah, 225 is a cycle level. If you go down to the smaller time frame, it actually shows um
They showed it before.
right here. So it shows you're gonna have a red level right here. It's at 224.30. And then right here, you're gonna have some heavy, like this red line right here. So this is a little bit more heavier. So you're talking about 225.38, right? So we should come up here anyway. So monitor your trade, guys. Have a great day. See y'all back here tomorrow at the same time, 9:30. All right. Y'all have a blessed day.